Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami kebi bincho. Tinatet venikeno. So we use wa. Esiesi ho. Emma hoye kama. Emma hoye obe mwa. Je na ko try she.
Thank you, Tinatet Venicare.
Tinatet Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene, not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
My mama by the Vajegana TV so a bridge sesam hodwa ya bobwano ye de ebe so mo kasia bokwanso wey eye kasia bote o hwa me live on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. So any day you can watch me, subscribe, like and share Emma afofro so intimi enhwe me amaje bre America kasia boyi ebe so mo eye me da chehima ajwa nati afeye monra ensomo emu Beya afini echireni na chese Akuapem poloo eye video bi efa ono ne ba ne ho a chese wodi betu social media se ne ba no edi ni birthday a kofa nsam bebre koto nsam ni ade ede eba ye na fi pepepe ni a chese eye Akuapem poloo ekoso koto dem ehwe ye wokoso eye prison dem nso ehwe ye a chese waba na ye nyina ye wo social media ha asemi esi ye eye Afia Schwarzenegger ebe na social media so anie wodidi atem ni bia keka na dwen ede kire Akuapem poloo na amfemfiri honhom de so wonfa niama emfiri ani afi pepepe ni a Akuapem poloo akwa kan hwe awono so aba ene se eye Afia Schwarzenegger nso eho asamo aba betoja chese contempt ache eye onu Afia Schwarzenegger no ene nana mama brown A+ mo ene wonwe keke kan ho bie sign kasa ye bia na se jumedie bia ekoso wo United Showbiz so eye nana mama brown ebisa Afia Schwarzenegger sem bia fa eye chairman wuntimi eho ema ekofa nsem bebre na ede baye contempt ache eye Afia Schwarzenegger sabra me no ka se die eye waye wanted wagana ha pa ache se na ye tu ye ni di sine so ana se ne obi ehunu wo ba bi kra ye be che no ama wakotwere mu 10 days de aba esansa asam no ehun na no na Akuapem poloo enso de abetu social media na ochim se ono enya ade a owishi obi bone ana sempo odwene bone edema obi esanse wiase yetimu yi wunnim sade ade ebe chinwo nti wonam wose wadwimu eye fine se unue bi eko ohaw mu anasa titi bi mu anasa woyawo bi mu a endi erusie ema weni enje ho enweshi wonue bi abone esanse wiase wunnim de ebetimi atowo abra wonya asa ne nsamsam yi eye nipa dodo na ena wehye bone de ma no ebinum kura enya yanka wakoye nko wo mabiem ko bekwa twiri mu afebo enso sanse nyankopon enje nipa da seninti wako asan aba na won a ese ne boni ni nyina nso wo munya so akatwa baako na mom ono ne futuo kakra wo ene se ewiase ayewo mu endie rusie se wunue bi ekọ ohaw mu anase wunue bi ekọ amane mu ofa titi bi mu a ema weni enje ho ne krakra ne se prison demu enye baabi a eye dabrepa anase prison demu enye baabi a wo se wo pese wunua ekọ ho eno nti hu se wunua bi ekọ prison eho se wusu na wo de mpaebo ta na chi se de atie bia no nyankopon ebedi ni ho afofie ne yetimi egi no esanse wono okoye no wakohu se de hoti eho enye tena bia wase yebepe se yebekọ na wunnim de yebetimi ato wunti wunua bi ekọ ho a wose wutimi ede mpaebo eta na chi na wo hye ni nkran se tie bia no obetimi akọ ede aba.
Don't laugh at anybody going to prison.
Mandela, so we can.
Makama is a bitch. Know that. Don't wish.
Ebusha for your son for Queen Lizzie TV near Ebusha and Nemotem and the breaking news with Bremo and Bia who said I last year in December 1st just a few crapping polo and not one any bad picture or mucha no ednuko p if you see so woman say if you just nigga any ag papa na afi ye monso no and Bia Bibles me no me and Sambi dear a twem kakra if you just nigga cotton United show base such as say any or chama won't to me say on na down and I twem plan say or any dana say o yin from my bonnet say ogun anima si wo United show base papa na ene chama wontumi nsem ni kopie o court say ene nrada no omo de ababa ntin a say Afia Schwarzenegger eko serve 10 days e prison na fine sada so chama Father Dixon eni na Mama Brown na omo keka ho United showbiz ada no mo no nyina no ya fine omo ama Akuapem polo e de awe ho sem abetudwa e kire say emra ya chi ni tumo no meka ne say Afia Schwarzenegger babontin ebegu nanim ase ebesere no na wonkai hu se prison no enda ho mabakofo unim de obeye ene ana ochina ebedru so amedo akokotumu bi nti Akuapem polo epia bontin achese ode arehosem na obeka na kudi sem a de kotu no prison nyina no obeka ni nyina momienko ne nkotie Akuapem polo nanim nsem.
I only have Allah. I only have God. I have Allah. I don't have anyone. So, I'm telling you, this is I am in Tamkasio. I don't know how to say it in English. It's my world remit. My world remit. I'm talking. I don't know how to say it in English, but it's my world remit that I can never forget about it. I wish, and I don't wish anyone to go through what I went through. It was like I'm in hell. I was in hell. From 2021. The case started 2020. And I was called to come to court in January, within January. By then I was in Nigeria working. And the price on the job was big. Even houses was on it. Big money. Contract signed. Nigerians, they don't joke. When you are doing shows, it entails with big. So when I started promoting the show, they realized that immediately I start posting something, they go inside, they contact the people to know what the contract is involved. That is what they do to me in life. Everybody will sign contracts, but if Polo sign contracts, they go inside, they will come and sit on television to read my contracts with people. It's only Polo who will sign skincare products. And someone would go and ask the skincare products, how much did you pay Polo? And they will sit on their show and discuss my pay. Why? Witchcraft. Why? What have I done to you? I don't think about anybody. I don't think evil. I don't even know who to go and destroy anybody to. I dare my corner. Though I'm a village girl, I'm not open to a lot of things that you think you are open to. But I'm just trying hard. Because I'm a poor girl with nobody. That I have a son, I have a child. That I have to put food on his table and make sure his education goes well. Because I didn't get a great education. I didn't get it. So I want my son to have it. So I'm killing myself. Because I won't go and kill people. I won't go and do things that I don't have to do to get money. I can't do things that some people are doing. Before God, man, I swear, I can't do it. Don't expect me to do what others are doing, please. I beg you. I don't know. I don't have the strength. I can't do it. And you know what they do that Polo don't do. You meet them. You know what they do. Don't compare me. Immediately they see that I'm in Nigeria doing pure job to fetch me money. Pure work, oh. They don't get it. So when Polo get it, pure work, that will fetch me money. And they saw how the things were going and how they were doing songs for me. The celebrities I was on set doing songs for me. They love me from their hearts. They were happy to be in the same house with me. Look at these great legends. Real Messiah Igbe, Ikechi Blessing, Maka, Teddy. Go and look for them. Josh, I was in the same house with those people. January, I was called to come to court. I was so naive. I didn't have a lawyer. So I called my two brothers. I called them. I told them that I have to come back to Ghana. But they said I have to come to court. So I came to Ghana. My brothers came to meet me from the airport. We came back home. On Monday, I have to appear in court. Naive girl. I've never been to court before. I've never been to police station before. I've never been to police station before to even visit anybody. Because when I was in Suhum, they said someone traveled from Abrochi and came and heard that his friend is in police station. He said, oh, how? So he went there to visit the friend. Immediately he got there, the friend pointed at him that he did whatever he did with him. And they arrested him, innocent person from abroad, who heard that, oh, my friend is in prison. It happened in Suhum. So me, I've learned a lot. So I don't go to the police station. So my first time in court, 2021, January, sometime, big flight from Nigeria to Accra. I went to court with my brothers. We were all new. My brothers have not been to court before. So we went there without lawyer. When they read my things, they read everything. They asked me if I'm guilty or not guilty. And because I didn't do what I did intentionally, I said I'm not guilty. Because the picture I posted, I didn't post it in the wrong way. I didn't know it was bad. So when the judge asked, and me too, I don't know anything about court, I said, no guilty. The judge said, okay, if you are not guilty, I've heard you, because I didn't have lawyer. I didn't have lawyer. I didn't know how to pick lawyer. I didn't know. So the judge too saw that, oh, this girl doesn't know what is going on. So they said, okay, they should bail me. And then they gave me bail bond. And then Ishakla, a man from Tema, I didn't know him, came to bail me. But the General, thank you. Shout out to you. Attorney General, shout out to you. All your efforts. I don't know you from anywhere. You never saw me, but you did it for me, Attorney General. All your letters you wrote to the courts. You didn't know me from anywhere, Attorney General. You never met me. You didn't know me from anywhere, Attorney General. But you wrote to the courts to pardon me. Thank you, sir, wherever you are. And when they said they have adjourned my case from 1st November to 1st December, my brothers were telling me, Polo, if you don't take it, they will let you spend the Christmas in jail. Polo, for them to adjourn your case to 1st December, if you don't take care, you'll spend your Christmas in jail. I said, God forbid. Allah kiaye. For something that I didn't know it was wrong. God knows that I didn't do that for anything. Allah kiaye. God forbid. Oh God, don't let me spend jail. God, my son, I'm just working for my son, not for anything. I'm not just doing anything for anything. I'm just working hard. I'm not taking anything from anyone. The little I do, that's where I feed from. And what I even did was out of pain. So they shouldn't sentence me to spend my Christmas in jail. So we go to court. We were sitting down. They were calling cases. Last year, 2021, they called my case. I and my brothers were sitting down waiting for what the judge would say. So the judge was reading, when she was reading, I was listening to everything. I realized, no, there's no hope. There is no hope, because the way where she has gotten to, all that she is saying will take me to jail. So I was just standing, listening to all that she was saying. I was in the booth. I was in the distance. So after she finished reading everything, she said I should go back to jail. The same judge who asked them to bring me out when I was sentenced first in 2021. The same judge said I should go back. I said, oh God. God, why? In 1st December. Yeah, I've been through so much. I've been through a lot. I've been through a lot. Thinking a lot. I've been through a lot. I've been through a lot. Not when you know that you don't have anybody. You don't even know who is doing what for you. You don't even know what is going on. And you only have 2 people behind you.
Yes. You see?
But God did it for me. They sentenced me 1st December. But inshallah, I came back 17th December 2021. I came out 17th December. Yeah. I didn't spend the 3 months they gave me. I didn't spend the 3 months. Allah did not let it happen. I didn't spend it. I came home to celebrate the Christmas with my son. Yes, 1st to 17th December, I was in prison. And I was in prison in the middle of 2021 and they released me. That one I spent 7 days in prison. All thanks to the 3 judges who sat on my case. The 3 men, Court of Appeal. The 3 men who sat on my case. All thanks to Attorney General. Thank you, sir. All thanks to all the celebrities who didn't sleep, who were doing the underground moves for me that I didn't even know. All thanks to my family and friends. My family and friends who were there for me, knowing and unknowing. He didn't let me spend the money they gave me. He didn't allow it. Thank you, everybody who contributed. I know you did it for my son, and we are so grateful. I and my son, we are so grateful to you guys. Whoever supported in any way, that I didn't even know. Whatever you did for me, for my release. Allah bless you. You can see my eyes are red. I mean whatever I'm saying. My eyes are red because it's not easy. It's not easy. I don't wish this for anyone. I don't wish this for anyone in life. If you go to prison, you know that prison is for everybody. Prison is for everybody. Prison is for everybody. Prison is for everybody. You don't need to steal. You don't need to kill. You don't need to do tracks alone to take you to prison. Anything thing at all can take you to prison. Don't laugh at anybody going to prison. Never be happy and enjoy when you see someone going to prison. If you can help the person. If you can help the person to come out. And if you have someone in prison that you've abandoned, please go and check on them because they are suffering. If you have a friend, if you have a mother, if you have a brother, anybody you have in prison, don't abandon them. Go and pay them a visit. It gives them hope. It gives them hope. Some are hopeless. Some are hopeless in prison because nobody comes to them. They work in there to get money.
Oka semi ena Ghana for dodo na airdrain say we de ekutia pa na wo de bo Afia Schwarzenegger na sansa wo koye ono so de beto social media ene wo be keka ho bia na ka me akoye say ase de osuro bibi nti wo mpese wo be ka esi nanim no wa hyeda ene wo de wonwan niama ho na wo de fefa niama ho na Ghana for de wo hu ne say Afia Schwarzenegger ena eye Akuapem poloo Kaway and a Ghana for S. Ebusi ana prema kwai America sebo no ebesi. Mi amaje bre America sebo yi ebeso mo me da chehema ajoa nati asida kase enkoma glitter and glow skin Kinaata table and a Janelle organic food. Dedi ho enkoma production crew makramo.
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sawa di nuya mabobosina, and when you are setting at 2:30 album, we are Bema now no more, and Mama Wadison Kuma would drown us to me, Bajuma, and more energy, stamina, and a vitality, and following a Juma, and one is our Banumbi, but Bajuma Saum Reda, Tina Tat 2:30 Heba, a young conqueror, power to the people, Mitchell 2:30. So our what feeling? Hold on, my back. Kinaata 2:30 Herbal.
Kinaata 230 Herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra offer sa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu. Ne all man e banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie duoche.